like a picture I can't forget. Your smile lit up the darkest night, and suddenly everything felt right. Every moment, every touch made me love you twice as much. My heart belongs to you alone. No matter where I go, you're home. Through the fire, through the rain, I choose your love again and again. My heart will beat your name forever. When the world is turning cold, you're the warmth I always hold. Every dream I have inside has your love right by its side. When I'm weak, you make me strong. With you is where I belong. My heart belongs to you alone. No matter where I go, you're home. Through the fire, through the rain, I choose your love again and again. My heart will beat your name forever. And if the stars fall from the sky, and if the oceans all run dry, I'll still be standing by your side. With endless love, I cannot hide. Oh, my heart, forever true. Oh, my heart still beats for you forever.